Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. As you can see, phase one is now complete. We have completely renovated this downstairs rear hall. Brand new windows, brand new carpet. Alhamdulillah, we are now performing 3 Jummahs because we are at capacity. We started off with 2 Jummahs, but it was full. We have 150 people praying Jummah each time here. So that's nearly 450 people praying Jummah, Alhamdulillah, at this new masjid. Just brothers and sisters, think of the reward that you're getting by donating your money now, Alhamdulillah. So brothers and sisters, now I'm going to show you other work that has been completed in phase one. So we have an additional room here. This is our overflow room. So this has a capacity of another 20 to 30 people, Alhamdulillah. And Jummah times, this is full. This, Alhamdulillah, joins back to the main entrance, and our shoe racks are here, so you can come in this way, do Wudhu and continue, or you can go in via the other entrance, which we went in right at the start of the video. This is the office for the inshallah, what will be the sisters area in the future. So sisters will have a dedicated office. Brothers and sisters, this is our Wudhu area. Alhamdulillah, done to a very high spec. We have 3 toilets, 3 Wudhu stations, and a stand-up station as well. We have fitted very high quality equipment here, Alhamdulillah, including automated taps which go off after 7 seconds. Alhamdulillah, drainage in the floor which helps keep the place well sanitized. This is our disabled toilet and it also has shower facilities. It's been designed to meet the requirements, government requirements, regulations for a disabled toilet. Alhamdulillah, we also have a dryer in here, just like next door. As you know, we're at capacity. So Ramadan's coming. What do we need? We need more space. We need more space for brothers to pray. Alhamdulillah, it's not far. Phase 2 is right through this door upstairs. The door I just knocked on is just there. So that's coming from the downstairs hall upstairs. This is phase 2 of the project for Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. As you can see, it's been completed, gutted. Before we had multiple rooms here with multiple partitions. It's all been taken out, and we are now moving very quickly to get this part of the project done so that we are open for Ramadan. You may think we have time, 2 months, but that's nothing. There's so much to do yet. We've got to get the walls plastered, electrics in, multiple things have to move at the same time. This will be a dedicated kitchen for the rear of the masjid. For this will serve the downstairs hall and the upstairs hall. This is the upstairs Wudhu area. We will have 2 toilets and some Wudhu stations here. This will be done to the same specification as downstairs. So the same color scheme, the doors, the same toilets, everything will be similar to downstairs. We're trying to keep the same theme as upstairs and downstairs. And this is an additional room that can be used as a classroom. Brothers and sisters, as you know, whoever helps build a masjid for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will build for them a house in Jannah. What more do you want? Alhamdulillah. Even participating by donating towards bricks, a radiator, the taps, the kitchen, alhamdulillah, the prayer mats, everything, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you. Brothers and sisters, this is the main car park. We have installed electric gates, alhamdulillah. The car park has been extended over there a little bit. The capacity is 55 cars parked normally, and inshallah, as you know, when we fill it for Jummah, potentially 80, as we do at Masjid Isa. Dear brothers and sisters, we need your support. We're approaching Ramadan, 2 months away, less than 2 months away, and we need to get this ready for Tarawih. We will fill this place, inshallah. Please donate generously. The target for phase 2 is 130,000. This includes new aluminium windows, air conditioning, kitchen, the Wudhu area, carpet, tiling, storage in the loft, complete strip out as you've seen in the video. Our website is rahma.co.uk and all our donation details are on there. We have a JustGiving page as well. So please donate generously. We need your help. We need your support to get this ready for Ramadan. Jazakallah khair. Allah accept your du'as and put barakah in your rizq. Ameen.
كم جاد من فضله قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض الجود والكرم.